Clearwater's warm and humid climate often calls for creative ways to keep homes comfortable and airy. While air conditioning is a must for many homeowners, enhancing natural ventilation can reduce energy costs and improve indoor air quality. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by installing awning windows, which are uniquely designed to maximize airflow while offering additional benefits. Here's how awning windows enhance ventilation in Clearwater houses and why they're a smart choice for your home. Unique design for optimal airflow. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a slanted opening. This design makes them particularly effective for ventilation, as they allow air to flow freely into your home, even during light rain. Benefits of their design. Continuous airflow. The angled opening promotes cross-ventilation, pulling in fresh air while expelling stale air. Rain protection. The top hinged design acts as a shield, enabling you to keep the windows open during light rain without worrying about water entering your home. High placement. Awning windows are often installed higher on walls, allowing warm air to escape while drawing in cooler air. By improving airflow throughout your home, awning windows help maintain a comfortable indoor environment, even on humid Clearwater days. Ideal for tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Awning windows are versatile and can be installed in areas where other window styles may not be practical. Their easy operation makes them ideal for tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Common placements include bathrooms. They provide excellent ventilation to prevent moisture buildup, reducing the risk of mold and mildew. Kitchens. Awning windows near stoves or sinks allow heat, steam, and odors to escape efficiently. Basements. Their compact design is perfect for smaller spaces where ventilation is needed. Installing awning windows in these areas ensures that every corner of your Clearwater home benefits from fresh air and reduced humidity. Enhances cross-ventilation. Cross-ventilation is a natural cooling technique that relies on strategically placed openings to draw air through your home. Awning windows are excellent for enhancing this process. How they promote cross-ventilation. Strategic placement. When paired with other window styles, such as casement or sliding windows, awning windows create airflow pathways that circulate fresh air throughout the home. Flexible operation. Their ability to remain open during rain ensures continuous ventilation regardless of weather conditions. Airflow control. You can adjust the angle of awning windows to direct airflow exactly where it's needed. Clearwater homeowners can use awning windows to reduce reliance on air conditioning, leading to lower energy bills and a more sustainable lifestyle. Improved indoor air quality. Maintaining good indoor air quality is essential for a healthy living environment. Awning windows help by expelling pollutants, allergens, and excess moisture from your home. Air quality benefits. Reduces humidity. By promoting ventilation, awning windows help keep indoor humidity levels in check, especially important in Clearwater's humid climate. Minimizes allergens. Open windows allow fresh air to replace stale air, reducing the concentration of indoor allergens like dust and pet dander. Eliminates odors. Awning windows in kitchens and bathrooms help remove lingering odors from cooking or cleaning. With awning windows, you can enjoy cleaner, fresher air throughout your home. Energy efficiency and cost savings. While awning windows are excellent for ventilation, they also contribute to your home's energy efficiency when closed. Energy-saving features. Insulated glass. Many awning windows come with double or triple pane glass, reducing heat transfer and keeping your home cooler. Weather stripping. Professional installation ensures a tight seal, preventing air leaks and improving efficiency. Reduced cooling costs. By improving natural ventilation, awning windows reduce reliance on air conditioning, lowering energy bills. These features make awning windows a cost-effective choice for Clearwater homeowners looking to enhance ventilation and energy efficiency. Aesthetic and functional appeal. Awning windows offer a sleek, modern look that complements a variety of home styles, from contemporary to coastal. Their functional benefits, combined with their aesthetic appeal, make them a popular choice for Clearwater homes. Why they're visually appealing. Clean lines. Awning windows feature simple, elegant designs that blend seamlessly with your home's architecture. Customizable options. Available in various materials, finishes, and sizes, they can be tailored to match your home's decor. Natural light. Their design maximizes natural light while maintaining privacy, especially when installed higher on walls. Awning windows enhance your home's functionality and beauty, making them a valuable addition to any room. Durability and longevity. Clearwater's coastal climate demands windows that can withstand humidity, salt air, and storms. Awning windows are built to endure these conditions with minimal maintenance. Durability benefits. Weather resistance. High-quality materials like aluminum, fiberglass, or vinyl resist rust, warping, and corrosion. Impact-resistant options. For added protection, consider hurricane-rated awning windows that meet Clearwater's building codes. Low maintenance. Their design minimizes dirt buildup, making them easy to clean and maintain. With proper care and professional installation, awning windows offer years of reliable performance in Clearwater's challenging climate. Conclusion. Awning windows are a smart choice for Clearwater homeowners looking to enhance ventilation, improve indoor air quality, and reduce energy costs. Their unique design, versatility, and durability make them an ideal solution for maximizing airflow in any room, from bathrooms to living areas. If you're ready to upgrade your home with awning windows, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater. With their expertise, you can enjoy the benefits of enhanced ventilation, energy efficiency, and style tailored to your needs. Transform your living space with awning windows and experience the comfort they bring to your coastal home.